Yesterday I told you about writing the numbers in the standard form, right? That is a into 10 power of something, the power it will be. This a must be from the number 1 below 10. It must be like a integer, like that 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, like that. The other numbers will be in 10 powers. Means writing very large numbers in small form is a scientific notation. This is the rule for that. And how I told when the numbers are 0, 0, 0 like this, when we move towards that side, how the thing will be, or the numbers 1 point something, when we move towards this side, how it will be, that and all we have seen yesterday. Here when we move this side, negative power, 10 power of negative. Here the powers will be when we move from that side to this side, leaving one integer, we'll keep a point. Okay, that time the powers will be positive. These and all we will see today in the example sums as well as the exercise sums, how it is. Express the number 61, 20, this is the question. Express EXP in standard form. The question will be like this. Standard form or scientific form, scientific notation form. Both are same. They can use any word. Okay. Both the words are equally used in our textbook. So expressing the number in the standard form. How to do? First we have to see that. Writing the number 6, 1. Let us write without any commas. 0, 0. 61,20,000. Let us write the number without any zeros. Then no points, nothing. Now we have to only write the number in the scientific form with the point. Okay. Now to come from the last place, we are traveling. From the last place here. From there, we are traveling and bringing the point. We have to bring, like I'm bringing my chalk piece here, I'm bringing like that. We need to bring the point. How? Here one digit to leave, one integer should leave, and here the point must sit. Okay, last year also I told the same thing, scientific notation. Many of you got it nicely. Easy only. This year also again understand the same thing only. From the last to come, this number, this integer, the one full integer to leave and point here to keep. Okay. Remaining this 1, 2, 1, 2 to write. Okay. From here we went on and we kept the point here and I wrote this. Zeros and all we must not write. That we must bring as a 10 powers. 10 powers we have to write. Now, how many places I traveled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places I traveled and I went and I sat here. The point, I means the point. The point moved on to 6 places and stood there. So what is the meaning? 10 power 6. So in this way, we need to write. This is the answer. Standard form or the scientific notation. We have to assume, imagine a point, come from the last place, keep on moving, this one integer to leave and to sit in that place. Remaining numbers alone to copy. Remaining all we should write in 10 powers. Yes, Sheikh Ali, I know. You studied in 7th and I have only taken that. So I know that. 10 power 6. Now again understand clearly. This is the way to write any number in the form. Understood? The questions many are there. We can go to the this exercise some later. Now another one. This is one example. Another one. Express. They may give like this also to write in the standard form. 3, 8, 4, 3. 3 zeros and 8, 4, 3. Express this number in the standard form. Now, like these cases, the point is there. A point is there. First, let us write the number with the point. When point is there, I need to write the number with the point. The answer I'm going to write here. This is the answer. How we have to write? Now, when point is there, we have to, and 0, 0, 0 like this. We need to move from this place. The point comes out and it goes on coming out. Where it should go? It should go after this integer. One integer should leave and it should go there. Okay, last time also 6 points something we wrote. Here 8 is there. So 8 points. Like this, we should stop. 8 points. Then this 4, 3 is there. 4, 3 to write. Okay. From here, the point went and kept, and keeping on moving, we kept the point here. Okay, 8.43 I copied. Now 10 power what? How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places I moved. 4 places I moved from left side to the right side. That is very important. When I move like this is minus 4. So whenever you have point not like this, you will get in negatives. That is moving from left to right. This side to that side. In that case, previous example, we have to come from the last to the front. So positive. Tanishka, this is important. Okay, the negative. Very important is the negative powers. If you write positive, I'll cut the marks. Okay, that is the meaning. It has to go there. Whatever it is, how many zeros? For example, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 7 is there means this will move and will sit after the point 7. While writing, I have to write 7 points. Then this and all to calculate and to write. Then understood these and all examples. It is there in your textbook. Exercise. Now, today I have sent the material. Okay, yesterday night I have sent the material. Today you will be getting. Principal ma'am will be posting today the material in your classroom. I think so. Max material. So up to this exercise full I have sent. Exercise 2.2 full exercise will be there. I mean this chapter. Full it will be there. Understood? So you do and practice. Starting from the previous thing up to this. Now only you got, they came 9 minutes ago, good. I didn't check, ma. Okay, good. I have posted for the classes what I am taking for all the classes. Okay. So you got means it's very good.
Lakshmi ma'am, you're muted, ma'am. You can unmute. Yes, ma'am.
Now okay, now?
Yeah,
Just
now
a second.
able to hear. Yeah,
Yes, okay. Just a second.
now
I
you're
got
audible,
a call.
ma'am. Okay.
Yes, I got a call now. If I get
Oh,
a call,
right.
it will become
It
like
will get connected. Okay. Thank you.
just a second. Somebody has come. Okay. So exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Express the following numbers in scientific notation. We are going to write the numbers in scientific notation. Also, we may ask, or sometimes in the example, they have told standard form. Scientific notation or standard form, both are same. Now they have told scientific notation, they will use that word itself. A, B, C, D, 4 sums are there. I'm going to do 2. A and C. 83,700. You do and practice from my material. Do and practice the question. Then all easy. After completing this chapter, I will give you a revision. Okay? This exercise will be over. Then I will, a small test, like a class test. I will give some, then I will ask you to keep your video on. Okay? Then I will be checking. You should show your notebook. Like last year, how we used to do, like that. Then we will move on to the third chapter. Now this is second chapter only. So let us have a revision test. Okay, in the classroom, revision test. Yes, for that reason only I have sent the material. You go through the entire material nicely. We will have a class test. I will give some. You keep your video on. You show me. Okay, like that it will be interesting also. Small questions. All easy only. Okay, let us keep for both first chapter and second chapter together. First chapter rational numbers. Second chapter is powers and exponents. So both the chapters together. 1 and 2. Now, 83,000. This is comma only, ma. Nothing is there. 83,700. So what to do to come from the last? Okay, commas need not worry about commas. To come from the last, 1, 2, 3, 4 points and to stop here. So 8.37. Bring na, bring. 8.37 multiplied by, this symbol should be there for that, 10 powers. What? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 10 power 4. When we come from the last towards this side, answer should be positive here. Okay. So this is the answer. For this we'll get 2 marks. Easy. Understood? Now, for this question, as I already told, point is there. The point must be moved towards the right side. Okay, where we should stop after this number to stop. We want one integer. Where the integer starts 0, 0, 0. Okay, where the number starts here. So after that, I should stop. The point is moving and going and dropping here. 1.6 multiplied by 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits I moved. Minus 4. Since I move towards this side, that is negative. There should be a difference. No, that is the reason. Okay. So this is the way. Meters and kilometers something given means you use the unit. They have not given anything. So no point means come from the last, come in front, leave one integer and write the remaining with the 10 powers of this. When point is there, make the point to move towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits move. Make the point to sit there and do this. Understood? This is about A and C, writing the number in scientific notation. Yes, now only Swaminathan is telling good morning to me. Why so? Okay, question number 2. Express the following as integers. Now we are going to express as integers. Now today we will finish this exercise. Just 3 questions only. We will finish this. Tomorrow, are you ready for the test? Small revision test. Tomorrow, what day, ma? Friday, no? Yes. Tomorrow, shall we keep? We have our period on all days. Yes. Tomorrow, small revision test. Nicely go through. I will give you the questions. You do. You keep your video on and you show me. We all will clap hands if it is correct. Yes. Then Monday onwards, I will start the new chapter. Next chapter is squares and square roots. Very interesting and very new chapter for you. Because up to 7th standard, you don't have square roots and cube roots. Only in 8th standard we have. Okay. This powers and exponents we had already last year. Rational number we had already last year. Now squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, that and all totally new. But very interesting. Monday, we will start that. Okay. So tomorrow, the small revision test for chapter 1 and chapter 2. Just I will give the questions. We will do in our period. We will see that how you are doing. Yes. We had no time to cover. No, we don't have squares and square roots. Last year textbook itself we don't have, ma. 7th standard we don't have square roots. 8th standard only we have square roots, cube roots. Long division method we have. Last year we didn't leave that and all. We left only that 3-dimensional shape and geometry portion little bit, that and all only. That we couldn't do that. That will happen. Government itself is reducing the syllabus, no? For online classes, for government itself is reducing the syllabus and telling this much only you can cover. Same thing for us also. We are also attending online only. How can I cover the entire book? Yes. Monday, no. Tomorrow. Amendinian. Tomorrow means Friday. Express the following as integers. 2 sums are only there. Both I will do. 9.8 into 10 power 3. Okay. Is equal to. Straight answer you can write. Point is there. Just we need to move the point. 10 power 8. Okay. Easy. Listen, ma. This is to write the number as integers. Express the following as integer. Integer means without any point. This is decimal, no? Point is there. I want to write it without the point. That is integer. Okay. Now, without the points means points must be taken out, removed. So, jumping. So, here the point is moving. One number is only there. Okay. One jump only it will take. 3, the power is 3. 3 minus 1 jump is 2. So, 2 more numbers needed. So, first 9 I will write. Then this point jumped. This 8 I wrote. The point 1 place it jumped already. 3, the power is 3. 3 minus 1 jump is 2. 2 more numbers needed. So 0, 0. This is an integer. Like this to write. Okay. Easy, easy. Again, once more I am telling. The point is there. After the last we should move. Then only we can remove the point. Right. So 1 jump, 2 jump. 1, 0, 6. Okay. 2 jumps I went here. 8 minus 2 jumps. 6. 6 numbers are needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. So this is the answer. Okay. Comma, zimas, nothing needed. Just write directly. So 1 jump here because 98 we need to write. We need to remove the point. To the last we have to go. Okay, when the number is like this, 8, 2, 3, 2, 1. What shall I do? I must move this point to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This place I must move. Like that it will be. 10 powers, how much is given? We have to minus the jump. And that many zeros to write. That is the easiest way what I know to write. Will this come in tomorrow's test? Yes. Yes. Next, both two sums only, both we completed. Now, question number 3, last question of our exercise. Express as decimal. Deci means point. Now, we have to write the number with the point. 4 into easy. 10 power minus 3. You might have forgotten last year we had this and that. 3.6 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. The easiest way to solve this is 4 into 10 power minus 3. Whenever negative power, it means that it is 4 by 10, 1 by 10 power 3. 10 power minus 3, when it goes in the denominator, it is 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means 1 and 3 0. Right? This is going down. Okay, this is 10 power minus 3 means what, ma? 1 by 10 power 3. 4 multiplied by 1 by 10 power 3. That is 4 by 10 power 3. 4 by 1000. So negative will go down. It will become positive. So now what is this? This is easy. Decimal to write. One number is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers before that point to keep. 1 is there. Second number, third number, and point. So 4 is there. 3 numbers before that to keep. Means I am dividing by 1000. 4 I am dividing by 1000. So point, not 4. Like that it is. Simply we have to add 1 0. This doesn't have any value. Okay, point, not 4. Point 004. One number is there. 3 numbers before that. I must keep a point. So 1, 1, 2, 3 points. Now this one. 3.6 multiplied by 10 power minus 5. So my work is to write this by 10 power minus 5 will go down. It will become positive 10 power 5. What is 10 power 5? 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10 power 5. Now what I must do? I must divide. When I divide, without point is not there, I should move from the last this. If point is there, I must move from here towards this side. That is dividing. Okay. One number is only there. 3 is only there. One jump. How many I want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want 5 jumps in order to do division. So 5 jumps we want. One number is there. Remaining how many want? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. A point here. So this is the answer. This 6 simply to copy. The point, 1 digit we moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. I am dividing by 1 and 5 zeros, which means 5 places to move. Whenever we divide, it's like that only. So, one number is here, remaining 4 not there. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.00. Because this is in decimals we want. This is the answer. Understood? See here, simple thing. For example, 3 by 100. What do we do here? How we do? 3 we will copy. One number is here. Which number is not there? Another one we want. 2 zeros means 2 points. To the left, 1 jump. Another one more. 2 numbers. Then point we will keep. So 3 by 100 is point, not 3. Like that only this. Okay, like these things only, this both. Simple thing. 3 by 10, 1 point only. 10 is having 1 0 only. So 0.3. 0.3. This is 0.03. 1000 means 0.003. Like that it is. When you do in a mobile phone, tick, 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 easily we'll get. But we have to know this. How to do. So this is the way. Point is moving. 1 digit is there. 5 digits to move. So 1 is here, remaining 4 zeros. That's all. This exercise over. Our chapter of powers and exponents is over. Understood? Now tomorrow, rational numbers and powers and exponents. Simple problems, only revision test. We can keep like 1 mark, 2 marks. Like fill in the blanks, 1 mark, 2 marks. Simple test. Then and there, I will give, for example, I will give 4 fill in the blanks. After doing, you should not type the answer. Okay. Then I will tell you the answer. You check in your thing and you do a tick or wrong like this. For that, then I will ask you, everyone, to keep your video on and show me the 4 problems. The 4 things. Let it be wrong or correct, whatever it is. Okay. Then again, I will give another 4 problems. Again, I will give the answer. You have to check with the board answer and should correct with your pencil. Then we'll check. One who is getting all the sums correct. Very nice. We will give a star. That's the plan. So that we can move after revising these 2 chapters. We can move to the squares and square roots. Understood this? So go through the material properly. Tomorrow should not run away from maths class. Okay? Should attend. Try to do. The more you do, more nicely practice will do. Should we on that video and solve? No. First you solve, then video I will check. Will this come in tomorrow's test? Yes. No. 2 lessons. Very easy. Who is telling that? Shekhal. Okay. We will see. Okay, any more doubts? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Shall we end the class,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am. Yes.